Hi everyone. In today we have lesson 69, and our task will be to practice more with long division of polynomials. We'll start with the given example here: x to the power 5 minus x to the power 4 minus 3x cubed plus 4x squared being divided by x squared. Now, of course, we'll be using the long division method, but what's important here is always to arrange your initial expression in order. Uh, okay, so we have x to the power 5. It has got the highest um, exponential value, so it's what we should start with, x to the power 5. Then we move on to minus x to the power 4. And then the next one should be minus 3x squared. And then we have plus 3x cubed. And then plus 4x squared. And then lastly, we have minus 3. Yeah, so once they are arranged in that order, then we make it easy for us to do the long division. And this is going to be divided by x squared minus 3. Okay, so then we move on to do what we've always done, and that is to look for an expression above x to the power 5, which when multiplied by x to the power 2 will give us x cubed. So that should give us x to the power 5. So that should be x cubed because okay, yeah, because x cubed multiplied by 2x will give us x to the power 5. Okay, and then we have let me get this right. Yep. So then we move on to uh x cubed times 3, which will give us minus 3x cubed. Please watch the alignment of our answers here. So x to the power 5 minus x to the power 5 will give us nothing. And then we'll have minus x to the power 4. And then minus 3x cubed. Minus 3x cubed gives us 0. Then we come down to 4x squared and minus 3. So again, we come up at the top and look for an expression which when multiplied by x squared will give us x to the power 4. And that will be minus x squared, because minus x squared times x to the power 2 will give us minus x to the power 4. And then we multiply that same expression minus x squared by minus 3, which will give us um, 3x squared. And so we will now have to subtract the new expression from the old one. And x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 gives us 0. And then 4x squared minus 3x squared will leave us with x squared. And then we have our negative 3 here. Okay. And then from there, we go back again at the top and we'll look for an expression which multiplied by x squared will give us x squared. And that will certainly be 1. Because 1 times x squared will give us x squared, and 1 times negative 3 will give us negative 3. And when you subtract these two, we get 0, 0. And therefore, our answer to this expression becomes what we have here. because we have no remainder. So our answer will be x cubed minus x squared plus 1. And that will be our final answer since we have no remainder. All right. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. And see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.